Today, we are in Sault Ste. Marie, and we are going out with the famous Soo Locks boat tours on one of the most iconic things you can do in Sault Ste. Marie, and that is to go through the Soo Locks. What are we going on? Which boat? Nokomis?
Yeah.
From sitting right here, we can actually see, we're in the parking lot right next to the Valley Camp, and then see the Tower of History right here. So they're all right next to each other. We're getting a little show here before we even leave.
Covering this for a moment, there will be about a 5-second blast coming on the ship's whistle right now.
I'm going to be your tour guide today on our 10-mile international tour. We're going to be sailing on the St. Mary's River today. It's approximately 61 miles in length, and it connects Lake Superior to Lake Huron.
It's super cool being able to see all of the locks project happening right now. How many cranes do you see?
I think I see 7 or 8.
I actually read something that like some of these cranes came across from the other side of the world because this project needed such big cranes. They were used to make like huge soccer stadiums over in Europe.
Look at that.
Up through the locks.
Okay.
And we go up above where the island is here and make a cut across the island.
Okay.
And go in here into the steel plant slip.
Oh, nice.
And make a turn around there and come back out, and then we'll proceed down through the Canadian Channel. The Canadian lock is right here.
All right.
It's crazy that it comes so high that if we stayed like this, we'd be underwater.
Yeah.
It goes so much higher.
We're at the lowest point right now.
Yeah. People at the viewing platform probably can't even see us.
No, not right now. We'll raise up.
So the operator actually has to start over on the left-hand side, and then he has to ride up in a tiny elevator. The bridge is in its forward position right now, so those counterweights are up in the air. We're now approaching the workings of Algoma Steel.
It's super cool back here. I've never been back here before.
So this is called the Anglian Lady. She is a purvis tug, and what's special about this ship is that she was sent to the site of the Evan Fitzgerald to retrieve the bell from its hull. She went and got it. It's now on display at the Great Lakes Shipwreck Museum, and they replaced the bell with an honorary one with the 29 names of the crew members on board engraved into it, and that one is still below the water to this day. So she's up here, she's getting some work done. Been up here for a few weeks now.
Look at that drop off in front of us.
Wow, that's crazy.
And there's some ducks in here.
We have to pay a bill. I don't know if that's how it is for the Canadian.
All right, so what is one thing, rapid fire, what was your favorite thing on the
I like
entire
going
cruise?
by the steel mill and watching how that all works, with the freighter unloading the coal and then the trucks picking all the stuff.
Yeah, that was super cool to be able to see that
Yeah,
in
that
action.
was-
I've like
That was definitely my favorite part.